everyone watching. Happy you're part of the fun. In this video you're seeing we want to calculate 3828 divided by 22. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 3828 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 22 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 3 big enough for 22 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 22 is larger than 3. So we must take the next digit too. How many 22 are in 38? The answer is 1. Now multiply 1 by 22, which gives us 22. Draw line and subtract 38 minus 22, which leaves us with 16. Now we bring down the next digit 2, and this makes our new number 162. How many 22 are in 162? The answer is 7. Now multiply 7 by 22, which gives us 154. Draw line and subtract 162 minus 154, which leaves us with 8. Now we bring down the next digit 8, and this makes our new number 88. How many 22 are in 88? The answer is 4. Now multiply 4 by 22, which gives us 88. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 174. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks.